What's up, internet strangers? I'm Brian Frey, and I'm going to be sharing with you one of my passions, which is restaurant style crispy Brussels sprouts. All right, we're not going to be using an oven for this. We're going to be using the pan, and we're actually going to be frying the Brussels sprouts because that is the true secret to those gorgeously crispy Brussels sprouts. All right, the first step, we are going to heat up a saucepan, a regular pan, whatever pan you have that you can put some oil into and fry on the top of the stove, okay? So we're gonna heat this up to around medium-high heat. I have some canola oil here, whatever frying oil you prefer, and we are going to dump that baby into the pan. Get it nice and good. You want maybe about a 1/4 inch deep, and that's what I like to go with. And now while the pan is heating up, I have the freshly washed Brussels sprouts here. They're patted dry. That's a very important step. You want to make sure that these babies are super dry before they go into the hot oil, because you know what happens when you get water, it does not mix well with oil at all. So I'm actually not going to just cut right into these. I'm gonna do one step first, and that is to peel the outer layers of these leaves off. See here, they actually have these leaves that you can just peel away really easy, and we're gonna just snap these babies off, put them in the small bowl here. So I'm gonna start doing that for all of the Brussels sprouts until I have all of these little outer leaves off. And anything you can kind of peel away easy with your fingers, that's what you're gonna take off here and put in a bowl. All right, so I've taken all of those like little leaves off of them, and we're actually gonna save these and fry these first. And that is actually gonna give us a really nice crispy mixture with just the regular sprouts here. So the sprouts, they look a little bit lighter because their skins have been kind of peeled away. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna slice these right down the middle, kind of cut off this little endy knob point right there. That's no good. Just slice the end off here, cut just straight down the middle. And if you have any bigger guys, if you have any like big Brussels sprouts, what you can do is also just cut these down and then just quarter them so that you have a little bit more surface area to work with when it's fried. So we're gonna get all those nice and good, put them in the bowl here, and then meanwhile the oil continues to heat up. And guys, don't put anything in the oil until it reaches at least 330 degrees Fahrenheit. Just because if you put it in too soon, it's gonna get kind of soggy, and it's not gonna get nice and crispy like we want it to. All right, so I took the temperature on the oil and it is above 330 degrees, so we are good to go. That means that I'm gonna start putting my Brussels sprout leaves in. We're gonna do this nice and gently. I'm gonna put the leaves in just a little bit at a time here because the oil is so hot right now. There's a lot of moisture in Brussels sprouts, so I'm gonna be really careful when I do this and not have a lot of that oil spray back on me. So we're just gonna kind of set these in here like this, and I'm gonna use this grease filter, whatever you call this thing right here, because it's gonna start spraying a lot of oil up at me when I do this. And even that sometimes is not enough, which is why, guys, if you do this, it does make a mess. I've got all of my Brussels sprout leaves in here, nice and situated. I'm gonna wait until these guys fry for just a couple minutes until they're nice and crispy. Crisp is a personal preference, but I like mine when you bite into it, it just snaps right in half. That's how crispy I like my Brussels sprouts. So it's been a few minutes, and if you wanna check in here on the Brussels sprouts, you can see they're starting to brown up, they've darkened in color, and they just smell fantastic. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to get a little strainer here, and I'm gonna start straining these out. If you wanna come in and get a little bit of closer look here, I'm gonna start straining these guys out and just dumping them right back into that bowl here. All right, so here I have the skins, the leaves of the Brussels sprouts, and just so that you can get a little glimpse into here, listen to how crispy and just delicious that sounds. It just smells so delicious. I just want to eat these right now. But I'm gonna have to wait because you know what's next. I have the actual sprouts here, halved or quartered, depending on how large they are. And what I'm gonna do is gently set these into the pan. Instead of doing this by hand, guys, because you don't want your fingers next to that hot oil, I'm gonna take my tongs. I'm gonna set these guys into the pan just kind of one by one. You can get a look and see how they instantly start crisping up in the oil here. Doesn't matter if it's flat side down, flat side up. Wait a few minutes here. After a few minutes, we're gonna turn these over, see how they're browning. So it's been a few minutes here, and as you can see, it's getting a nice brown color here. Now, I might just turn some of these guys over to their other side so that it just browns evenly. Just check on them. If you flip them back and forth, it really doesn't make a difference. You can touch these guys all you want. Get in here and look at that brownness. Oh, look at this. This might be just about perfect for these sprouts here. I like them really brown. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these guys out using my little strainer here with my tongs. Strain them a little bit and put them in the bowl. All right, so I have my Brussels sprouts, my leaves, skins right here, and let's just get that sound on tape. You can hear that crispiness as I shake them together. I'm gonna pour the skins into the sprouts, and then what I'm gonna do, a little bit of salt and pepper. I like to use sea salt. Sprinkle a little bit of that in. Freshly ground black pepper goes in here, and then just a little bit of toss, and you can hear that crispiness as I toss these guys, okay? All right, I plated up the sprouts here, and I have a little blackberry habanero sauce that I'm going to infuse into the sprouts. Just dab a little bit of that on top. And guys, if you want the recipe to this sauce, it is just fantastic. A little sweet, a little spicy. Let me know in the comments below, and I might do a video on how to make it. Grab a little leaf here. And you can hear how crispy that is with the sauce. Just so spectacularly delicious. Oh, I'm really passionate about this recipe, guys. If you want to learn more, if you want the sauce recipe, if you want anything else about these sprouts, let me know in the comments below. Hit me up.